In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Udemy subscription. Whether you're looking to save some money, take a break, or simply move on from the platform, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you step by step through this task, ensuring that you can easily navigate the process without any hassle. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other browser you feel comfortable with. In the search bar, type Udemy and hit Enter. You'll want to click on the link that takes you to the official Udemy site. Once you're on the website, go ahead and sign in to your account by entering your login details. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you have access to various account settings and features. From here, you'll want to look for an option labeled Subscriptions. Click on that to proceed to the Subscriptions page. On the Subscriptions page, you will find details about your current plan, billing information, and upcoming payments. Now focus your attention on finding an option that says Cancel Subscription. If you happen to be on one of Udemy's newer plans, you might see the option Cancel Trial instead. This typically applies if you're still within a trial period of a new plan. Click on the option that applies to you. At this point, Udemy might ask you for feedback or offer alternative solutions, such as switching to a different plan or providing a discount to persuade you to stay. You can choose to provide feedback if you wish, but it's not mandatory. Once you've clicked through any additional prompts, confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation of your subscription. It's essential to make sure the cancellation is successful. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after, verifying that your subscription has been canceled. If you do not receive this email, or if you have further questions, I recommend reaching out to Udemy's customer support for assistance. There you have it, a simple and efficient way to cancel your Udemy subscription. Remember, even after cancellation, you will retain access to any courses you have purchased individually, so you can continue learning at your own pace. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.